Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the complete history of Bihar, one of the most historically important regions of India. Bihar is not just a state, it is a land of ancient civilizations, powerful empires, great religions and world-famous universities. Many great personalities and historical events are connected to this region. The icons of the land: it is the land where Gautama Buddha attained enlightenment, where Mahavira was born, and where powerful rulers like Ashoka the Great ruled. So today, we will travel through time and learn about Bihar from ancient times to modern India. Ancient Bihar, Magadha Empire. In ancient times, the region of Bihar was known as Magadha, one of the most powerful kingdoms in India. The capital of Magadha was Pataliputra, which is now known as Patna. Magadha became the political center of India because many powerful dynasties ruled from here. One of the most famous empires that began here was the Maurya Empire. This empire was founded in 321 BCE by Chandragupta Maurya. He built a huge empire that covered most of the Indian subcontinent. Later, his grandson Ashoka the Great became one of the greatest kings in world history. Ashoka initially expanded his empire through wars. One of the most famous wars was the Kalinga War. After seeing the destruction caused by the war, Ashoka decided to follow the path of peace and Buddhism. He then started spreading the teachings of Buddhism across Asia, education and Nalanda University. Bihar was not only powerful politically, but also famous for education. One of the greatest universities in the ancient world was Nalanda University. This university was established around the 5th century. Students from different countries like China, Korea, Tibet, and Southeast Asia came to study here. Thousands of students and teachers lived in Nalanda. Subjects like philosophy, medicine, mathematics, astronomy, and religion were taught there. Nalanda became one of the biggest centers of learning in the ancient world. Unfortunately, the university was destroyed during medieval invasions. Importance of Bihar. Bihar has great religious importance in world history. The founder of Buddhism, Gautama Buddha, attained enlightenment under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya. Today, Bodh Gaya is visited by millions of Buddhist pilgrims from around the world. Similarly, the founder of Jainism, Mahavira, was born in Bihar. Because of these historical events, Bihar became a very important religious and spiritual center. Medieval period. After the Maurya Empire, many other dynasties ruled Bihar. One of them was the Gupta Empire, which is often called the Golden Age of India. Later, Bihar came under the rule of the Delhi Sultanate. After that, it became part of the Mughal Empire. During this time, a powerful ruler named Sher Shah Suri emerged. He was born in Bihar and later became the ruler of North India. Sher Shah Suri built the famous Grand Trunk Road, which connected many important cities. British rule. In 1764, an important battle called the Battle of Buxar took place. After this battle, the British East India Company gained control over Bihar. During British rule, farmers and local people faced many difficulties. In 1917, Mahatma Gandhi started the Champaran Satyagraha in Bihar. This movement helped farmers and became an important part of India's freedom struggle. Bihar after independence. In 1912, Bihar was separated from Bengal and became a new province. After India gained independence in 1947, Bihar became a state of India. In the year 2000, the southern part of Bihar was separated to form the new state of Jharkhand. Today, Bihar is known for its rich culture, traditions, and historical heritage. Conclusion. So friends, the history of Bihar is full of great achievements. It is the land where powerful empires were built, important religions began, and famous universities flourished. Bihar has played a major role in shaping Indian history and world civilization. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.